If you're wondering how to use CoConstruct for scheduling and task management, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how this software can streamline your project management tasks, help you stay on track, and give you more control over your timelines. Stick with me until the end, because I've got an exclusive bonus that will help you use CoConstruct for free. First off, CoConstruct offers a simple and intuitive interface for managing both tasks and schedules. The key to using CoConstruct effectively is understanding how to integrate both features into your daily project workflow. Let's start with scheduling. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your project timeline. In CoConstruct, you can create a custom timeline with specific dates for each phase of your project. You can add important milestones and deadlines, giving you an at-a-glance view of the entire project. You can adjust these timelines as needed, and CoConstruct will update all linked tasks accordingly. Next, CoConstruct's calendar feature is a game changer. You can view your entire schedule in a monthly, weekly, or daily format, which gives you a lot of flexibility. And if something changes, you can drag and drop tasks and adjust deadlines without losing any of your previous entries. The third thing CoConstruct excels at is task management. You can break down each project phase into smaller tasks, assign them to specific team members, and set priority levels. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Plus, every task you create links directly to the project's timeline, so you can always see how your team is progressing and whether or not you're staying on schedule. Now, let's talk about notifications. CoConstruct keeps everyone on the same page by sending reminders for upcoming tasks or deadlines. Team members will be notified by email or the app, ensuring everyone stays on task without you having to chase them down. Moving on, the software integrates with other tools you might be using. Whether it's QuickBooks for budgeting or other communication tools, CoConstruct ensures everything syncs up seamlessly. This saves you time and keeps everything in one place, making task management easier than ever. One more thing, CoConstruct allows for real-time collaboration. When tasks are completed, updated, or need attention, all project stakeholders are notified instantly. This ensures smooth communication and eliminates misunderstandings that could delay the project. Now, I know you're probably wondering how to get started with all of this. The good news is, you can try CoConstruct for free through the first link in the description. And remember, if you stick around until the end, I'll share a bonus that will make your trial even better. By now, you should have a good sense of how to use CoConstruct for scheduling and task management. The key takeaway here is that CoConstruct makes it easier to manage your project from start to finish, with tools that keep everything organized and on track. If you're ready to dive in, don't forget to click the link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.